and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
9 lifestyle changes for a healthy, positive life for women. In today's modern, high-tech, ultra-convenient society, it is far too easy to embrace unhealthy, unproductive habits that weigh us down and ultimately make us unhappy. Many of us eat too much fast food, don't get enough sleep, and pride ourselves on how busy we are. This pandemic has certainly altered everyone's lifestyle and daily regime. Also, the subsequent lockdown has further changed the way we spend our lives. While all of us are trying to get back on track, some people are struggling to maintain their health between managing work from home and family. If you are reading this, you probably want to improve your quality of life by making some positive lifestyle changes, which is amazing. There are so many things that we can do to live a healthy and positive life. Here are some essential tips for women to follow to maintain the wellness of mind and body, and these simple changes have the ability to ultimately turn your life around. Number 1. Adequate water and sleep cycles. Drinking plenty of water is an important part of good nutrition that will help you stay healthy. Hydration is important as the human body is up to 60% water. Water facilitates in carrying oxygen to the red blood cells in our body. It also allows the kidneys to flush what they have collected out of the body naturally. In addition to this, getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is not only good for your mood but also your general health and can be the best of lifestyle changes. Number 2. Meditation or yoga for a calm mind. Taking out time from your daily routine is clearly but as these days, but 30 minutes for yourself isn't a lot to ask, right? Mindfulness meditation trains you to focus on what you are thinking or feeling at the moment. You can concentrate on your thoughts, feelings, or sensations. Yoga allows you to focus your energy to feel the warmth of love, kindness, and other positive feelings. Number 3. Reduce screen time to improve lifestyle. Screen time is another issue that is prominent in this lockdown. However, if you can take your eyes off the screen and stare at a distant point for 20 seconds, that can go a long way too. Number 4. Laugh more often. It is the best mantra of good lifestyle. They say that laughing for 15 minutes benefits the human body the same way as sleeping for 2 hours. However, laughter increases serotonin and endorphins in the brain and reduces stress hormones in the body. Number 5. Have a proper diet. A healthy diet is always on our list that can help you in many ways. However, eating a balanced diet from a wide variety of nutritious whole food is vital for your overall well-being. Also, for your body to live, grow, and function properly, it requires the essential nutrients from the food you eat for its good health and daily maintenance. By starting to eat healthily, you'll find yourself glowing energetically throughout the day. Number 6. Maintain menstrual hygiene to improve lifestyle. Nowadays, menstrual hygiene is another issue that needs your attention. So, it is necessary to change your sanitary napkin every 4 to 6 hours depending on your flow. If you use tampons, change them every 2 hours, and also you can try yoga to release the menstrual cramps. Number 7. Cut down sugar. Sugar in the form of fructose, and it is more harmful than glucose. Glucose is required for the cells to function while fructose is not. However, the liver has to turn more fructose into fat, causing unnecessary workload on it. By cutting down on sugar or using sugar alternatives like jaggery or stevia can go a long way in keeping your hormones in check. It also prevents breaking out of the skin and reduces the chances of diabetes, heart disease, skin aging, and obesity. Number 8. Get some sun. Getting sun exposure is not good for your skin as it causes wrinkles and sunburns. But also, sunlight is a very important source of vitamin D, without which calcium cannot be absorbed in our body. So, sit early in the morning or midday sun for 10 to 30 minutes to reap the most benefits. Number 9. Find some me time. This quarantine is a great time to explore your interests, develop new good habits, and practice your hobbies. In short, take out me time from your work schedule to relax your body and mind. Epilogue. These lifestyle changes are one of the strongest and most transformative states of being. This shifts your perspective from lack to abundance and allows you to focus on the good in your life, which in turn pulls more goodness into your reality. So, try a few or try them all and embrace the journey of self-improvement.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.